Hello again. I'm so excited to see you yet again this week. Okay, now we're going to talk about spending that money you've worked so hard to earn and save, and you know about your bank. So cash, that's green money in your wallet. Either bills, coins. A check is a written piece of paper that says, take my money from this account and give it to this other person. You don't see these a whole lot, but they still work and they're still great. The cafeteria takes them. Credit cards. This is a card giving the borrower permission to buy goods that you'll pay for later. Again, you will pay for it later. You're borrowing money right then and there to pay for that thing, whatever it is. Debit card. It looks just like a credit card, but it works like cash, so that's good. It's immediately taken out of your bank account. You don't have to pay it back. You've already earned it. It's sitting there ready. You just don't happen to, drop it and it's gone like your cash is. Okay? Don't ask me how I know. So debit cards. You buy now, you pay now, you're done. It works like cash or check. There's no interest charge. You can take money out of the ATM to use. There's usually not a fee. And if your card goes missing or someone steals it, then you don't have to pay for those charges. Okay, now the downside is there might be monthly fees on the account, and if you overspend, you might pay a fee to cover that until you refill your bank. There can be ATM charges of a couple dollars every time you use that machine. It's not a way to build credit, but that's okay. There is and there's different rules on liability and things like that. So hang on to that. That's debit cards. We love debit cards. Credit cards. This is where people get in trouble. You buy now and you pay later. Okay? So I'm going to buy some new shoes today, but I don't really have the money. But I want my shoes, so I buy them using my credit card. Well, I have to pay interest on that money I've borrowed to pay for my shoes. And so it may take me a couple months to pay those shoes off. So I've paid a couple of chunks of interest. And so now instead of costing me $100, those shoes cost me $125. I'd rather just spend the $100 when I had the cash in my debit card or in cash. Okay? Oh, let me go back. So, but with credit cards, you can use them anywhere, anytime that they take plastic. Usually you don't have to pay it back like right the next day. You have a billing cycle and you'll see the charges within that month for that billing cycle. Then you have a few days to pay it after you get your bill. Disadvantages. You have to qualify. Not everyone can get one. Terms and fees apply. So if you don't pay it, you'll pay a late fee. And then your rate may go up. So instead of being a rate of like 8, your rate may jump to like 28. Yuck. Okay. Here is what a credit card statement can look like. Okay. And I do believe that this is exactly what is in your book on page 53. Okay, let me see if I can get my thing. So here's my bank, okay, the date, my name, my new balance, the minimum I have to pay. I have to pay this amount. I have to pay it by this date. If they don't get it, I pay a late fee. Okay, and they also report it to the credit bureaus, and that's terrible. Don't do that. They record your payment you did make, and they give you a credit. Now, I hope you're all making more than the minimum payment if you have credit cards at all. It would be most awesomest, bestest if you paid it off completely every month, but that's separate. Okay? So here you see all the different things you do, and it totals up to how much you spent. Okay? So this is your new balance. This is your old balance. You paid off this much. You charged this much more. And now you've got charges and your new balance. Your total limit's $3,000, so you're almost a third of the way there. So you've got an available this, okay? So it shows the dates when you did stuff, reference numbers, when your fees happened. Let me see if my picture's in the way. No. Okay. So you have 15% fee on your charges. Sorry. My goodness, it's late. Okay, so this is what a credit card statement looks like. If you have any questions, ask your teacher.